Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how we can upload our assets which we have created in Blender to Unity asset store. So we will just learn about robot, and definitely the same technique we can use for the trucks and the other models, and I will show you only one character which we will upload it to Unity asset store, and you can see that everything is ready. We have organized our things in Waqas Khalid folder, and inside this we have this robot senior, and then we have demo scene as well, which is set up. Animation we used from the Mixamo. We have model here, and we have prefabs which we have created after setting up the size of our robot. So that's it, and the important thing is that we will just go to asset store, and we will just download and import the asset store tools actually, which are very important for exporting our assets to asset store. Tools, sorry, why? Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, asset store, sorry. Okay, so now when we will add asset store tool here, we will search, we will found asset store tools here. Okay, we can click on this package, and then we will download and import this package. I already have downloaded it several times, so I think we have to import it in this case. So let's select import button, and then we can directly import it to the Unity. Okay, that's very simple. Now we will go to Unity's publisher account. You can search for publisher, and you can read these things before moving further, and then if you already are a publisher, you can click and go to login, and then we can log in with our details. Okay, when you will open this publisher account, you will find a lot of information here. Definitely you can go to info, and before doing anything else, and you will add a little info about yourself and image of your, and some other things as you are a publisher. But I already have did that, so we will go to packages section, and here you will see that if we have some older packages that will be available here, and if some packages that are pending approval, that are all also here. And yeah, you can see I have only one package which is published now, and if we click on published, you will see this published package. If we click on some other section like draft, you can see we have some draft packages as well. We have declined packages as well. These are rejected packages. This is the pending review packages. Okay, so you have different sections, and we have only one published package. So if you want to create a new package, you can click on create new package, and you will be directed to a new screen here, and where you can add informations related to this package. So here, first of all, we will just add some details, and you can see we can't edit this untitled or other things. So how we can change it? Actually, we can edit these settings by clicking on this English, and then we can click on edit. Okay, and then we will find the place where we can edit the main package name. So here I will just rename the title to robot senior, and then here we will just rename it to robot model fully rigged, or you can say low poly robot model fully rigged. Okay, like this you can add some descriptions and keywords. You can add robot character. Like this you can add some keywords as well, and then you can save it. Now what will happen, that metadata will be saved, and now we will direct it to this section. And if you click on go back, you will see that our package name will be changed from untitled to robot senior, hopefully. So let's see. Okay, what happens? Okay, so now you can see our package name is changed to robot senior. We have version, you can add a version as per your desires, and then we have a category. So we will select category characters, I think 3D models and characters, and then we will just enable the price if you want to do so. I will just make it free, and then I will just save it again. And after saving, we will have some other options, as we can upload images, etc. But before that, we can also upload our package. So we will just go to Unity, and here you can see that we have a asset store tools, and we will just go to package validator before that, and we will just set path, and we will just select the folder of Waqas Khalid here, and we will just press select folder, and we will just scan it, and it will give you if you have any errors. So you can see include documentation is not there, and we don't have allow material or texture prefab scripts connection in your package. We do not allow missing or broken material texture prefab scripts connections in your package, although we have everything. Okay, ray prefab was missing there, so that's why we have some issue. Warning, image should have a corresponding prefab set up with all variations with textures, etc. So we already have added that. So here you can see. Okay, so I don't know why. Okay, these models don't have any prefab. So actually it's quite confusing if you will use this model, and I think we should delete this section. We don't need it. Platform, although it's very nice for the beauty section, but I will just delete it. I don't need it. And let's go to Waqas Khalid and let's delete this thing. We don't need it. Let's delete this trunk table thing. We don't need it. And here we will just create a 3D object and a plane maybe, and we'll just place it to the 0 0 0 position, and that's it. So now if we go to game view, you can see our robot is a little bit up from the ground, so we'll just move it a little bit down here on the ground. And now if we play it, it is good, although you can fix the lightings and other things as well, but I think this look good. So yeah, that's look good, so that's fine. We will just save it, and now we are happy with this. And now we will just this cabin thing, we also don't need it, so let's delete it. We already have set up our character. And now if we go to package validator, and if we select our asset, hopefully now the errors will be lesser. You can see now 2 errors. One is related to documentation, and remove duplicate animation names, guy idle, sad idle, robot project. Other things are fine, and now we can upload this package, okay, without any problem. We can go to asset store and we can go to package upload, and here you will find that we will have our projects here, and I will select robot senior here. Okay, and then I will just select the folder, and that's it. And now we will just click on upload, and it will start uploading our package online. So you can see it's created this upload package, and now it will start uploading our package online to the asset store. Okay, so now in the meanwhile we will just go to our this section, and now it will upload the package in the meanwhile. So we'll go to key images, and here we can add our images. So I have only one image for the robot, I think, so let's go to that image, and we can create icon image, card image, etc. So we can go to Photoshop, and then I will go to robot project, and we have only one image here, so I will just select 160. So let's create our first image. So 160, and we'll just drag drop this image here, and we'll just bring it like this, and that's it. We'll just save it. We can save it on as a JPG or PNG, whatever you want. And then we have the second image, 420/280. Let's create that, 420/280, and we'll bring the same image. Unfortunately we didn't have any more images. You can definitely get more images as well if you want to do so. So this is 420, and then we need 1950 1300, 1950 1300, and similarly we will just post the same image here. And what else? 1200 630. Okay, so now we have images in place, so we can go to select our images, 160, then we have this 420 image, then we have this 1950 image, then we have this 1200 image, and that's it. So now you can see we have our images in place, and that's it. You can save it, and actually it's saved automatically. We don't need to save it as much, and then we can click on go back again. If you have any videos, you can go to the videos detail here, audio video, and then you can definitely add some videos as well. So in our case we have drag raw file here or choose file, or you can add a link here. I have created one video, maybe where it is, draw and robot. So I think accepted files type or mp4 and mp3. So we can convert that in video before uploading to the mp4. So I will do that and I will upload the video. I have converted this video, and now we can go to choose file, and in Camtasia I have converted it to mp4. Let's add it, and it will take some time because it's not very high. So we can upload up to 500 MB, or it's better to add a link if you have the YouTube video. Replace my cover image with my first video if available to increase the conversion rate. Okay, that's fine. And now you can see we have this video available. In the meanwhile, if we go to Unity, you can see the package content has been successfully uploaded, and we can click on OK, and now the package is also uploaded here. Okay, for the robot senior. That is good, and that's it. We can just close this Unity editor now. We don't need it at all, and we can just go to, this is processing actually, so we'll wait for some seconds and then we will move further. So now video is uploaded. We can go back, and we can also add some screenshots if we want to do so. Now you will see that your model is uploaded here. You can see 11.5 MB, and we have everything in place, although you can edit the screen cost as well, and screenshots as well, and minimum width 1200, and let's add this image here if we want to do so. So it's up to you that if you want to add screen shots or not, and you can add multiple images here as well. Anyhow, we are happy with this. And now the last thing is, before publishing, you can actually click on preview in asset store, and you can see that how your asset will look like in asset store. So here you can see you can see your robot here, and this is the style, video, and then image, and then this image, the same one, and then we have a little description, although you should add more and more description so that your viewers and your model users should know about your model. Anyhow, you can see that we have successfully added our robot, and now after that we will just click on save everything. If you didn't have, we already have saved, and now we will select a sphere under penalty, and then we will click on submit, and here you can add a comment if you want to do so. So robot model like this, or you can add some comment if you want to add, and then we can click on OK, and it will submit our package for approval. So an error is occurred, please click edit next to your package in section 3. Okay, so we have some problem. So where is our package? And we can click on edit, and we have to select these settings. So which build platform will your asset run on without issue? Windows, Android, iOS, Mac, actually Linux and WebGL, everything. And confirm which version of the Unity editor your asset work with, no issue, and we can add 2019 etc. Okay, so that's fine, and then select all the render pipelines that your asset is compatible with. We can add standard one, And does your package require other Unity asset store dependencies? No, we don't have any. Save it, and that's it. Now we can submit our package. So now we will again click here, submit, and OK, and it will submit our package. Unity Asset Store will accept your package sometimes within 2-3 days, 4 days, or sometime after 6 months even. You can wait, you have to wait. So it depends on Unity that how much time they will take to review your package. So now you can see that if we go to our pending reviews, we will have a new package here, Robot Senior, and that's nice. That's it. That's the complete process of uploading your assets to Unity Asset Store. And yeah, that's it. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.